So wondering on how to solve this maths problem? So worry not. Let's start it. 3 to the power of m is equals to 36. So let's now find the value for m. Solution. So we have 3 to the power of m is equals to 36. So the first thing that we need to do is to change all of this into the form of log. So here now we shall have the log of 3 to the power of m is equals to the log of 36. So assuming that we have k, or we have the log of k to the power of p, this one can be written as p, the log of k. So that now shall mean that we shall now have m, the log of 3 is equals to the log of 36. So because now we want to remain with m, we shall now divide both sides by the log of 3. So here divide by the log of 3, then this side also shall divide by the log of 3. Log 3 and log 3 shall cancel, so now m is equals to the log of 36 all over the log of 3. So now when you factorize this maths problem, the log of 36 can also be written as, so this can be written as the log of 12 multiplied by 3, then all over the log of 3. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of a multiplied by b, this one can be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So meaning that now we shall now say that the value for m in this case, so now our m is equals to, so here now we shall convert it as the log of 12, then plus the log of 3, then all over the log of 3. So next now we shall say that now our m is equals to, so we shall now divide both sides by the log of 3. So now we shall have the log of 12, then all over the log of 3, then plus, here now we shall have the log of 3, then all over the log of 3. So we can still proceed by having m to be, so the log of 12 can be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 3, then into bracket, then divided by the log of 3, then plus. So when we cancel this, now it shall remain with 1. So m is equals to, so we shall now have the log of 4, then all over, so we shall divide both sides by the log of 3, so all over the log of 3, then plus the log of 3, all over the log of 3, then plus 1. So next now we shall say that, so m shall be written as, the log of 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then all over the log of 3, then plus, so log 3 and log 3 shall cancel, so now we shall have 1 plus 1. So now m is equals to, so the log of 2 to the power of 2 can be written as 2, the log of 2, then all over the log of 3, then plus, so 1 plus 1 is 2. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, so this one can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So now our final answer shall be m to b is equals to 2. Then now we shall have the log of 2 to the base of 3, then plus 2. So this one now shall qualify to be our most correct and the best answer. So if you loved how we worked out this maths problem so far, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's now confirm if this answer is really true. So we had 3 to the power of x, or sorry, 3 to the power of m is equals to 36. So where there is m, we shall now say that 3 to the power of 2, the log of 2 to the base of 3, plus 2 is equals to 36. So this one can also be written as 3 to the power of, so 3. So here now we shall have the log of 2 to the power of 2. So now we shall have the log of 2 to the power of 2 instead of writing 2 log 2. So 3 is now to the power of the log of 4 to the base of 3, this one. Then the plus means you multiply again. Then 3 to the power of 2, this 2 here, then is equals to 36. So next now we shall say that when we have the log to the base of 3, shall cancel this 3. So now we shall remain with 4. then multiply by 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3, that is 9, is equals to 36. So 9 or 4 multiplied by 9 is 36, is equals to 36. So it means that our answer is correct when you say that the value for m in this case is equals to 2, the log of 2 to the base of 3 plus 2. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment the answers that you've got. Thank you.